In this video, we will demonstrate a packing removal and installation for an IOM I70 pump. We will start with our 5/8" socket to remove the lock nut from the T-bolt. Next, using a 9/16" socket, remove the bolt from the pump frame. Place the pump frame in the vise. Using the 1/4" Allen wrench, remove the cylinder set screw. Then, take the cylinder out of the pump frame. Using the 1/8" Allen wrench, break the gland nut loose. Remove the gland nut exposing the packing. Using a small, flat head screwdriver, remove the pieces individually. The new set of packing will be arranged in the correct order to install. Grease and install the first 5 pieces of packing, each individually. Insert the lantern ring found in the middle of the packing set. Then grease and install the last pieces of packing all individually. Install the gland nut, lightly hand tighten. Put the cylinder back into the pump frame, aligning the groove with the threaded hole. Gently tighten the set screw. Reinstall the pump arm to the base. Grease the zerk fittings regularly to keep the pump well maintained.